Hi, I'm Neil from Autonomous. Welcome to the Autonomous Desk Setup Review. Our first review is a clean, minimalist setup from Kyle Vollers, a photographer and filmmaker from France. Kyle is using our ErgoChair Pro and SmartDesk Core, giving him great comfort when sitting, but the option to stand up, which is great for your health. Kyle has great cable management, with most cables out of sight, neatly tucked under the desk. He's using the Mackie CR3 monitors, giving studio quality sound with a wireless keyboard and mouse. He has the III TMA2 headphones used by DJs Richie Houghton and Charlotte DeWitt. The amazing thing about these modular headphones is that they are designed to last so as to reduce their impact on the environment. But we definitely think he needs a stand for them so they don't get knocked over and last as long as they can. There's a nice mixture of natural lighting and ambience from the LIFX Wi-Fi enabled LED smart lighting behind the desk and the bookshelf, and nice natural touches with plants either side, and the wooden map on the wall is nice against the stark white. 12 South's Book Arc is a great stand that makes room for the monitor by holding the MacBook vertically and off the desk. Our next setup is Dylan Matthew, a songwriter, which explains the Blue Baby Photo SL condenser mic with shock mount on the arm, which features prominently here. And by the looks of this setup, he's also a serious gamer. He has the iBuyPower Slate 9210 gaming desktop PC, an MSI gaming monitor with a mechanical keyboard. We are also happy to see a stand for those headphones. Despite all this high-range gear, the setup has lots of natural touches with plants and wooden shelves. And we love the Edison bulbs hanging from the ceiling above. You can tell that Dylan is a performer and loves being under the lights. He also has good cable management, but it could be a little tidier. We recommend getting the cable tray that fits easily under the SmartDesk Core that he's also using. He has a large felt desk pad and is also using our ErgoChair Pro, showing comfort is important to Dylan during those long hours of recording music or playing video games. Both these setups are great. Kyle's is more clean and minimal, while Dylan's is more natural. Both make great use of the space and show off their passion for photography and songwriting. That's all for today. Tell us what you think of these setups in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Post photos of your ultimate setup on Instagram and tag autonomous.i. We will randomly choose 2 setups to review. Thank you and see you soon.